Guess what's on the menu today? Hello, everyone. I know that most people do not necessarily like unripe plantain porridge, but guess what? I'm here to show you how to make it even tastier. Just in case you don't know, so this is my unripe plantain. I'm peeling it right now. After peeling it, I'll cut it into cubes. So if you want to join me, so watch this video and see how you can make even more delicious unripe plantain porridge. We finish peeling it, then we slice it into cubes, and then afterwards we wash it. While you're watching, please remember to click the follow button and share to your friends. Put it in a pot and then put it on the gas cooker and wait for it to cook. So while we're waiting, you have to cut different vegetables, so you have your onions, got your tomatoes, your fresh pepper, and you're still watching to this moment. We are very grateful. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you're enjoying it. Let's go back to our pot. So next you add all your ingredients, your salt, your crayfish like you want it, and then you add your onions, and then you add your broth mix here. This is Cameroon pepper, and then some people want to add Maggi. It's optional, but this is what it is. So add your red oil. After this, you add your tomatoes. Oh my, wow, this is one of those ingredients that makes it popping. You can add your fresh pepper. Next, add your protein. So this is already grilled chicken and fish, so I already added that one. If you have dry fish, the more tastier, right? So this is just about the protein in this video. Next is to add your vegetables. Come on, this is spinach. Add your spinach, add your ugu, whatever you have, add it and then mix thoroughly. The food is almost ready, guys. So this is frozen, that's why you see it's hard. The vegetable is actually frozen. So mix thoroughly until it's thoroughly mixed, and then allow it to simmer for a while, just like 5 minutes. It's just so that the vegetable will be all cooked, and then bring it out. It's ready. Come on. What do you think? What do you think? Yum, 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 yum. Are you gonna try yours today? Come on, try it and let me know at the comment section how it turned out. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching.